This is Barry Bogage. I'm the director of the Maryland Israel Development Center, and today we're going to interview Avner Spector, the CEO of Medispec from Israel.
We have some study that show very strongly that we can convert those patients to responders to pharmaceutical company. So actually we believe that this technology will increase the use of pharmaceutical to the erectile dysfunction. One German physician asked me what you also could do in this technology. And I said to him, look, you can treat the penis for erectile dysfunction. The issue is to increase the blood flow. And he asked me which way to do, and I give him what protocol I think that it will be advisable to do these kind of things. He met me half a year after that, and he said to me, you don't know how much you are correct. I have a patient that he was having erectile dysfunction problem. For 8 years, his wife come to kiss me how much he become functioning again. So obviously this encouraged us to get inside more deeply and to do a very deeply study and to publish it. And today this technology already accepted by the Urology European Association as a standard therapeutical for erectile dysfunction. And we are in the process with the FDA to achieve our approval for this device. Hopefully it will be soon in the US market, give the ability as an alternative or together with pharmaceutical therapy for people that are suffering from erectile dysfunction. One very interesting point about it is the fact that, again, we go to diabetic patient, that most of the diabetic patient not respond properly for pharmaceutical therapy. And the combination of shockwave and pharmaceutical therapy is the solution for them before they go for much more drastic effort to solve this problem. If you want to convert yourself from a company that's between $10 to $20 million turnover to a few $100 million turnover in 5 years, you must raise a lot of capital. You can't jump without having this capital inside. So that's mandatory to raise this money. It could come from a private money or could come from a public money or any kind of combination like this that's in the right stage to convert the company to a public. But obviously also as a private company it could come to this level. That's as long as the resources will be available to the company. So for example, this could be some kind of a very nice joint venture. But as I say, well, as a company, that's the first time that you look and present, it's look like we are diversified to all the direction and we don't know what we are doing. So it's very typical to join to venture capitalist or investor to think how I can cooperate with a company like this. They don't have direction, they don't know what they want, they don't know where to go. And we know very clearly where we want to go. Most of it is very similar. Yes, in the end it's a little bit different of marketing, but each one, if we're looking on the main 3 fields of regenerative medicine that we are planning, the cardio market is more than $1 billion. The erectile dysfunction is more than $3 billion. The kidney disease is more than $3 billion. So we're talking on a huge market that's each one by himself could be a big market. So part of our strategy to go over there is willingness to separate the package to each package with the right investor, or to find the right investor that will be willing to go with us for all the package. Obviously it's different level of investment and everything is different, so we are open to any kind of collaboration, and as long as it's fit for the both sides, we'll be more than happy to go for it.